Welcome to today's home tour. I'm excited to show you the Whitestone model by Pulte Homes. The Whitestone is a two-story single-family home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, 1 half bath, and a little bit over 2,800 square footage. Downstairs, you find the flex room that can be used as an office space or maybe a guest suite. You also have the laundry area, the dining room, the kitchen, the living room, and also your master suite. As you start customizing your home, you have the option to add the pocket sliding doors and the cover lanai. My name is Lisbeth Rios. I am a real estate agent here in Orlando, Florida. And if you would like to get more information about this particular floor plan or any other floor plans in Central Florida, please reach me. I'm going to leave my information in the description box below. This particular floor plan is available in different communities through Orlando by Pulte Homes. Let me know in the comments what you think about this home. Upstairs, you find the loft area plus 3 additional rooms and 1 bath. You also have the option to add a full bath to one of the bedrooms. Please subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos about home tours in Orlando. I also show you around Orlando, provide tips for home buyers, and general updates about the real estate market here in Orlando. I will see you in the next one.